So the pot hot, I'm gonna add some vegetable oil to the pot, right? Add 1 spoon of sugar. And the amount of sugar doesn't matter. What really matters is how long you let the sugar burn for. If it gets too dark, the meat is gonna get bitter. You're in trouble. So you don't want that. And my advice to you guys is to stand over the pot. Stand over the pot and watch it. And once the sugar reach the color where you like the chicken to have, that's the time you're gonna put the chicken in the pot. So stand up over it, keep it on low if you can what am I gonna say? Keep it on low if you know have trouble monitoring it, if that's the word. Okay, so watch it. Right, I'm gonna add my meat. When you put the meat in the pot, leave it alone for a little bit to the side where you so leave it for a little before you turn it. Maybe add some red pepper flakes to the pot, and this is optional. If you don't like spice, you can leave this out. So every now and again you want to turn this. So we're not adding no water right now. So we're just going to turn it until all the sides get a nice coat of the brown sugar or color of the brown sugar before we add any water. Alright, so now give it a little, about another minute. I'm going to add some water to it. So this looks good to me. So I'm going to add some fresh water to the basin when I season it, you know. So we're just going to add that to it. Alright. And cover it. So cover the pot and let that go and do its thing. So what we're doing here is slowly cooking the meat until it gets tender. So if it needs water, you add a little more, cover it, let it cook. Or what you can also do is add it to a pressure pot and let it cook until it gets tender. But for now, I'm doing it on the stove top, so I'm just watching it. And as soon as it gets tender, we move on to the next step. Alright, so I'll let this go. Get some more color. The turkey neck was cooking roughly for about half an hour and it was still tough. so we have to constantly watch the turkey neck so it doesn't overcook or undercook. At this point, it was tough. So what I'm going to do is add just a little more water and allow it to cook some more. So yes. So just gonna keep adding water until it cook. They may look tough. So So after about another 30 minutes, the meat was a little more tender. So what I'm going to do here is add some coconut milk to the pot and allow it to cook for a few more minutes before we add anything else. I'm going to let this cook a little, then I'm going to add my seasoning. Once the meat reached your desired tenderness, we're going to add onion, bell peppers, scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, and a little piece of carrot that I have left from the vegetable that I made earlier. I'm also gonna add some Gaia butter beans. Add a little more water if needed. If not, leave it alone. Cover it and let it do its thing. After another 10-15 minutes, your oxtail should be looking like this. Well, ghetto oxtail or turkey neck should be looking like this. Hope you guys enjoy this video and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.